Double-digit addition. I'm going to show you 3 different ways: the standard way, the place value way, and the number line. This is the most common way that us adults learned in school. This is the newer ways. They all tie in. We should all get the same answer. This is a great way for students to check their work as well. Make sure that they got the correct answer. And then there's another way that I have not taught yet that I'm going to show at the end of the video. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1, 10, 0, 1s. And then 1, 10 plus 2 10s plus 1, 10 is 4 10s. The way we do the place value way, we're going to draw 2 10s, and we draw them as 2 10 sticks. And then we draw 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. We're going to draw one more 1 10 stick. And then we have 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 10 1s, and 10 1s equals 110. We've gone over that excessively. We have a chart right here that we review and mention quite often. So we bundle those, also known as regroup. We're going to regroup and put the 10 1s into the 10s place. And then we no longer count these. So I tell the students to circle 10 1s, cross them out. How many 1s do you have left? You have 0 1s left because you moved them all to the 10s place. You have 4 10s now. How you do the hundreds, I'm just going to show you really quick. When we get into 3-digit numbers or higher 2-digit numbers, we draw the hundreds as a square. So this is a flat, these are 10 sticks, or sorry, a flat square, 10 sticks, and 1s cubes. The number line, we're going to start with 23. We're going to split the 17 apart into 2 numbers. We have a 10 and we have a 7. We could add the 7 first or the 10 first. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with the 10 first. So 1 10 added to 2 10s is 3 10s. So we're going to add 10 here. 23 plus 10 is 33. And then we're going to add 7 more. Sometimes I do small jumps if the student isn't able to add 7 plus 3 in their head. And sometimes I'll do one smaller jump than the 10 because it's 7 1s. So if they need it, I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All 3 ways we get 40. That is a great strategy to check our work. Another strategy that we could use is we take the answer, also known as the sum to the addition problem, we plug it back in to a subtraction problem. So we use the same 3 numbers. It's a fact family. Same 3 numbers again. We can take 23 and subtract it from 40, or we can take 17 and subtract it from 40. It doesn't matter which one of these we use as long as we have our biggest number on top, minus 17. This is the method that I have not taught yet because we haven't got into the borrowing from the tens place or regrouping from the tens place when we're subtracting. So if you show this to students, they're probably going to be lost, but we're going to probably get into it within the next week or 2. We're going to take a 10, move it to the ones place. That gives us 10 ones, 10 ones minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. We should have the same 3 numbers for each problem.